Hi, my name is Steve Taylor, and I'm here to tell you that I'm a dealer for the people. And I want to see you in a Kia. Oh, there's the camera. Wait a minute. I'm Mr. Gagel, your principal. I'm not Steve Taylor. And I want to tell you, I'm a principal for all the students. And not just all the students. Each and every one of you, I care for you. I want to see you in the correct uniform. I'll say it again. I want to see you in the correct uniform. In fact, today, you're probably wondering, or probably have already figured out, that I'm here to talk about the uniform today. And what I want to talk about is why at Toledo Christian Schools we have a uniform. And there are 5 words that describe why we have a uniform. And they're based on 1 Corinthians 12, 1 through 13, and James 2. The 5 words are unity, which is probably the most important, order, encouragement, diligence, and respect. Respect for one another. The next question is, why the emphasis on dress code now? Well, let me start by saying that my hobby is working on old cars. My latest project is an MG. And MGs are known for electrical problems. So when I have an electrical problem and I can't figure out what the problem is, I have to retrace the wire back to the beginning of the wiring harness or to the fuse box. And then I stop, and then I retrace my wiring along the way to where I can find the problem. And then I fix the problem. Talking with parents, students, and teachers, it's come to my attention that there is a lot of confusion about dress code. And so we need to troubleshoot the dress code and use the same model that I use on my MG when I'm repairing the electrical system. For clarity, we need to retrace our steps back to the handbook policy. And that is why I have provided with you a document, and I picked 10 dress code reminders. It's not the entire list, it's not the entire policy, but these are 10 that I've seen that are there's a lot of confusion, and they need to be focused on. And along with that, the 10 reminders, I've included a QR code that you can use a scanner, and it'll take you right to the dress code policy handbook, or there's a link. And so if you have other questions about other policies about dress code, just follow that link, and it'll take you right to the dress code. One of the most important reasons why, as upperclassmen, we need to maintain our dress code is not because someday, Mr. Gagel, I know I'm old, but someday one of you guys are going to be an administrator at a nursing home where I'm staying. And when you see me, I have a feeling that some of you are going to make me get into dress code. I don't know what that's going to be. Hawaiian shirts all the time. Or maybe a dress suit with a tie every day. And Mr. Gago can be the principal of your nursing home. All kidding aside, why is it important that we maintain dress code? And one of the main reasons, besides what I talked about earlier, is that all of you are examples to our lower school, middle school students. They look up to you. Next time when you see a group of students walking down the hallway, watch. Look, and you'll see that they're looking at you, and even to the point that I know some of the guys, and even the girls, some of the athletes, some of the worship band leaders, they want to imitate you. So for that reason alone, we need to maintain a visible compliance with the dress code. And for that reason, I need your help. And I want to thank you ahead of time for maintaining our dress code policy. In fact, I want to thank you so much, and I appreciate all of you. I care about you, and I look forward to the future, how God's going to use all of you. And you know what? I want to see you in the correct uniform. I want to see you in the correct uniform. Thank you.